Hello, welcome to the State Historical Cultural Museum Research Sarashik. Today we start new rubric traditions, including traditional musical instruments of Kazakh. In ancient time, musical instruments were widely used in various ways during the nomadic life, such as during magical rites, hunting sessions, military maneuvers, and for kids and young leisure activities. The design and future of each instrument are linked to its functions. Here is a list of some musical instruments of Kazakhstan, and one of these is dombra.
The most popular Kazakh musical instrument is dombra, with its gentle and melodious sound created by only two strings. Since there are many local varieties of dombra, musicians are allowed to reproduce a great variety of sounds. All dombra's varieties are different in shape, frets, and fingerboard length. There are numerous techniques of playing the dombra, which allows performers, also called dombrists, to recreate many different styles in any musical piece. Cue played with dombra can be considered the acme of Kazakh music evolution and the most genuine reflection of the Kazakh spirit. Today, some dombra cue are performed in rock, modern, and pop style music, and sometimes even in classical music.